How Tech, where tech makes sense. Have you ever noticed that little option in your web browser that says Incognito Mode, or private browsing, and wondered what it actually does? Maybe you've used it to look something up without it showing in your history, or maybe someone told you it keeps you completely anonymous online. Today, we're going to break that down in a friendly, simple way. Let's start with what Incognito Mode really is. Whether you use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari or Firefox, they all offer some version of private browsing. When you open an incognito window, your browser is basically saying, "Hey, don't save any of this." That means it won't keep a record of the websites you visit, what you searched for, or any cookies you collected during that session. Cookies are small pieces of data in a file that gets stored on your device, that websites use to remember who you are, like keeping you logged in or remembering your shopping cart. So if you share your computer with someone else and you don't want your browsing history saved, Incognito Mode is helpful. For example, if you're shopping for a surprise gift, looking up personal health info, or using a shared computer at a library, Incognito can help keep your activity hidden from others who use the same device. But here's where people get confused. Incognito Mode does not make you invisible online. Your internet service provider, or ISP, can still see what websites you're visiting. If you're at work, your employer can too, especially if you're connected to the company's network. The websites you're visiting also know you're there. Incognito Mode only keeps your activity private from other users on the same device. It's not anonymous to the outside world. Also, when you go incognito, you're still using the same internet connection, and your IP address doesn't change. Your IP address is like your digital home address. It tells websites and networks where you're coming from. If you really want to hide your IP or browse more privately, you'd need something like a VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. A VPN encrypts your connection and routes it through a different server, making it much harder for anyone to track your online activity. Another option is to use a privacy-focused search engine like DuckDuckGo. Unlike Google, DuckDuckGo doesn't track your searches or store personal information about you. It's designed to give you search results without building a profile based on your habits. You can even use DuckDuckGo inside Incognito Mode for an added layer of privacy. It won't make you invisible, but it means you're giving up less personal data just by doing a simple search. So next time you use Incognito Mode, you'll know exactly what it's doing behind the scenes. It's a great way to stay a bit more private on a shared computer, but it's not a magic cloak of invisibility. Technology is full of little tools like this, and when used correctly, can really improve your online experience. If this helped clear things up, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech lessons. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.